Hello, friends. Welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about
differences between poisonous snakes and non-poisonous snakes. Poisonous snakes. The head scales of poisonous snakes vary, whereas head scales of non-poisonous snakes are always large. Belly scales. Belly scales of poisonous snakes are large and cover the entire breadth of the belly. Belly scales of non-poisonous snakes are small and does not cover the entire belly. Fangs. Fangs of poisonous snakes are grooved or canalized like a hypodermic needle. Fangs of non-poisonous snakes are solid. Teeth. Teeth of poisonous snakes has only two fangs. Teeth of non-poisonous snakes has multiple small teeth. Habitat of poisonous snakes is nocturnal. Habitat of non-poisonous snakes is not specific.
thank you and thank you for watching.